TD Bank offers a variety of business accounts designed to meet the needs of small businesses, entrepreneurs, and growing companies. The TD Business Simple Checking Account is ideal for businesses with lower transaction volumes. It features no monthly maintenance fee when minimum balance requirements are met, and it provides free electronic deposits, online banking, and access to TD's extensive branch and ATM network. This account is perfect for businesses just starting, as it keeps costs low while offering essential banking services. For businesses with higher transaction volumes or need for more features, the TD Business Convenience Checking Account provides additional flexibility. It allows for more transactions per month and includes free online bill pay, mobile banking, and debit card access. This account is well suited for businesses experiencing growth that require more frequent deposits and withdrawals. Monthly fees can be waived with a qualifying balance, making it manageable for small businesses to maintain. TD also offers the TD Business Value Checking Account, which is built for businesses with significant monthly activity. This account provides higher transaction limits, unlimited electronic deposits, and additional cash management tools. It is ideal for companies that process a large volume of transactions or handle significant cash flow. Online and mobile banking tools make managing payments, transfers, and account monitoring straightforward, saving business owners valuable time. For businesses looking for interest-earning options, the TD Business Interest Checking Account provides the benefit of earning interest on balances while maintaining access to business banking features. This account suits businesses with larger cash reserves that want to maximize their funds. All TD business accounts provide 24/7 access to online and mobile banking, overdraft protection options, and integration with popular accounting software. TD Bank's customer service and branch support ensure business owners have reliable assistance whenever needed. Choosing the right account depends on the size, transaction volume, and financial needs of the business. TD Bank delivers practical solutions tailored to small and medium businesses, helping them manage finances efficiently while supporting growth.